So yesterday I met someone, and they're from a big corporate, and we spoke about marketing and branding. And she actually loved my brand, Cobus Visser the Vikings. My husband always said he wants to be a Viking, so now I've met the Vikings, he said. And it was interesting to see sometimes how businesses don't have a marketing plan, don't have a marketing strategy. They go with emotions. They follow their emotions and think what is best. They make assumptions. Don't gather enough data, because marketing is also about data, about what is it your clients want, what's important for your customers. And then not living by the excuses, but we can't market because of the certain rules and regulations in our industry. And yet they haven't sit down and say, but what can we do? And if we innovate, for example, you can't blow your own horn that you're amazing, but it doesn't stop your customers from doing it and talking about and getting videos from your customers saying how amazing it is to do business with you. You circumvent that act of, you can't advertise yourself. So again, I think it's for businesses, it's very important to sit down and really have a strategy plan, break it down in 90 days, then every 90 days you really look at it, look at on your return of investment, understand where your clients spend their time, and have an amazing strategy to get them and close them. That's what it's about. And when last time have you done your strategy session? If you want to reach out to me, I will give you a free 60 business health check assessment that will give you some insight into your business, the red flags, and all the same things that you're doing good as well. Thanks.